But completely melted. But yeah. So we haven't been out for a weekend in a minute.
Yeah.
We haven't done anything in a minute. We've been so caught up in getting ready for August and September travels. We didn't travel anywhere for July. We've been in the house. Updates on stuff since I've last vlogged, which I think was the 4th of July, right?
Yeah.
4th of July. So since then, we've been in the gym every day, per usual. It's getting stressful at this point because I want chips and stuff. Like I'm craving and I want chocolate and I want all the stuff I'm not supposed to have. Emily wants ice cream. We'll get ice cream from Ponce. Oh, well, she wants ice cream, but she doesn't want to eat it. I want to drink. I want to do a lot of stuff, but I can't do it because I'm trying to be right for Shafine, for Asia. Our high school reunion's coming up. We still haven't brought our tickets for the actual function, but we have brought our flights down, so we're going. It's the same time as our anniversary that week, our 3-year anniversary, so wedding wedding anniversary.
2 different anniversaries.
Whatever. They know. Y'all know, right? So yeah, we're trying to figure out the logistics for that and how we're gonna combine the two for that stay. It's back in Miami, and y'all know I've been to Miami too many times this year, so I'm completely over going back to Miami.
Miami is canceled next year.
So I truly don't think I'm gonna go back to Miami next year. If I have anything to do with it, it'll be like, no, y'all can fly up and see me if y'all want to see me. So, what else? What else has happened? I may have to buy a new refrigerator.
Yeah.
For some reason, the bottom part isn't cooling down, like isn't holding cold. So, trying to wait till what's that Monday? To where things go on sale, Labor Day, Memorial Day. Trying to wait till Labor Day to buy one, like, because it hasn't gone out yet. But if it could hold on until Labor Day, I'd greatly appreciate it. So that. What else has been going on?
Trying to get our visas together.
Oh.
You know, I forgot to print out the hotel, not the hotel, the flight confirmation.
So this visa thing, y'all, has been for China. You can't see us. I'm gonna drive a little bit. This visa thing is gonna be like the death of me. They want too much information. They want blood tie. Like, bro, I just want to fly in. Like, I ain't coming on no foo rah stuff. All right, so that ish phone got too hot and it's sitting on this the dashboard. For the visa. So they want a lot to really do this visa process. So that's what we've been focusing on for the last few days. It's just too much. I just want to go see the Great Wall of China and call it a day. But the music is too loud.
Way too loud. It's like 2 competing.
It's gonna flag me. But so my teeth hurt because I forgot to wear my retainer for a few days. So they shifted just that fast, and I'm trying to wear this retainer to get it to go back to where it's supposed to be. yeah, we're rooftop at
9 miles.
9 miles at in Ponce City Market. About to just have drinks up here because the rest of the menu isn't Asia friendly for the budget. So did he just jump up in my photo? The guy in the blue? Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to do.
No, but I feel like he stood up and looked at him. But if not, whatever. If he did, he did. If he didn't, he did. Cool. Yeah, so I came here to get a few pictures, and it's just bad shit hot. Like, they're powered off. So as we were saying, Asia requires a lot of, not Asia, China requires a lot with their visa, and we still haven't done that. This trip is like a month, 2 months maybe, 2 months max, no more than 2 months max, and we still need to do global entry.
59 days.
2 months. And we still have yet to start filling out for global entry, so it's something we'll have to.
I think we have to do after the visa. I don't know, can we do it at the same time?
You can do global entry before, I think. Like, I didn't have trips planned when I did TSA pre-check. So yeah. But that's what we're gonna end up pretty much doing. Oh damn, the food, at least the food comes fast. It may be expensive.
What's going on, guys?
Hey.
French fries for y'all.
Thank you.
You enjoy.
So somebody got fries. They look really good though.
They do, but
They look really, really
good. Can I eat of it?
I'm sure you can clean those out and be okay with your calories today because you didn't eat anything but a salad today. This is what our life has become.
Counting calories.
Counting calories. Who are we?
Right.
But so we're gonna down these drinks. Well, I'm gonna down this drink. She's probably gonna down her fries. I chose alcohol to spend my calories. She chose French fries. Yin and yang, I guess. Yin and yang. But we're drinking water with it, so yeah.
500 calories.
See, you got change. You got something left over. 500 ain't gonna kill you.